Welcome back to Global Bike Buzz, your trusted source for the most exciting two-wheeled machines from around the world. Today, we're diving into a machine that's not just a bike, it's a revolution in the world of adventure scooters. Meet the 2025 Honda X-ADV 750, a futuristic crossover that blends the comfort of a maxi-scooter with the spirit and ruggedness of an ADV motorcycle. Whether you're navigating the chaos of the city or venturing into the wild, this machine promises to be a ride like no other. Let's start with its design, because this bike doesn't just ride different, it looks different too. From the front, the X-ADV 750 cuts a bold and aggressive stance. You're greeted by sleek dual LED headlights that now feature integrated daytime running lights, giving it a high-tech, almost robotic face. The adjustable windscreen offers 5 levels of protection, easily tailored with one hand, and it makes highway rides a breeze, literally. The large front fender and handguards scream off-road readiness, while the sharp fairing lines give it a muscular, adventure-ready presence. As we move to the side profile, the bodywork showcases a stunning balance between form and function. The fuel tank has a rugged, compact look, while the angular panels lead your eyes to the exposed frame and underbone structure that reflects its off-road capability. The seat height is comfortable at around 820 mm, giving most riders a commanding view of the road. You'll also notice the long travel suspension, 17-inch front and 15-inch rear wheels wrapped in blocky dual-purpose tires. These aren't just for show. And with the aluminum swing arm and revised weight distribution, the bike feels surprisingly agile for its size. Now the rear is equally well thought out. The LED taillight is slim and modern, giving it a premium appearance. The underseat storage compartment is big enough to hold a full-face helmet, a feature scooter riders love. And it even includes a USB-C charging port inside. There's a sense of practicality embedded in every inch of this machine. From the integrated grab handles to the robust rear rack, everything's designed for daily use or weekend escapes. Now let's talk about what powers this unique machine. The 2025 Honda X-ADV 750 comes equipped with a 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the same refined unit we've seen in other Honda mid-range models. It delivers around 58 horsepower and 69 Nm of torque, but what really stands out is how this power is delivered. Mated to Honda's latest generation DCT dual-clutch transmission, it gives you the option of automatic riding with seamless gear changes or a fully manual experience using trigger-style paddles on the handlebar. And in 2025, the DCT is smoother, smarter, and quicker than ever, with improved downshifts and more intuitive response based on rider input and road conditions. When it comes to performance, the X-ADV surprises many. Despite looking like a heavy adventure scooter, it handles more like a motorcycle. The throttle response is sharp, and the torque delivery is beautifully linear. Honda's throttle-by-wire system allows for 4 selectable riding modes: standard, rain, gravel, and sport, plus a customizable user mode. Each adjusts power, engine braking, ABS sensitivity, and traction control, giving you full control over how the bike behaves. On-road, it accelerates confidently with plenty of mid-range punch, while off-road, it can tackle dirt trails and loose surfaces without feeling out of place. The suspension travel, 153 mm up front and 150 mm at the rear, soaks up uneven terrain with ease. Braking is taken care of by dual 296 mm discs at the front with radial mount calipers and a single disc at the rear, all managed by Honda's cornering ABS. And it feels planted. Whether you're riding solo or carrying luggage and a passenger, the X-ADV remains balanced and composed, a true crossover in every sense. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 Honda X-ADV 750 starts around $12,500 in global markets, and depending on the region and optional accessories, that price can go higher. You're getting premium tech like a full-color 5-inch TFT screen with smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and even voice control with a Bluetooth headset. It also comes with a smart key system, just walk up to the bike and ride. No fumbling with keys, no hassle. This makes it not just adventurous, but extremely convenient for daily life. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Honda X-ADV 750 is not your average adventure bike. It's not your average scooter either. It's a category-defying machine that brings the best of both worlds together, the comfort and practicality of a scooter, and the performance and spirit of an off-roader. It's ideal for urban riders who don't want to stop where the pavement ends. It's for those who love tech, but still value rugged reliability. And most of all, it's for riders who want something different, something that turns heads and sparks conversations wherever you park it. If you're looking for a versatile, stylish, and genuinely fun ride that doesn't follow the rules, the Honda X-ADV 750 should absolutely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Global Bike Buzz. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the world's most exciting motorcycles. Until next time, ride safe and ride smart.